Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bachelor Nation News. Rachel Lindsay and Brian Abasolo's divorce took another dramatic turn. The judge overseeing the legal procedure told the Bachelorette star's estranged husband to get a job. Keep reading for more on the latest developments in the ongoing divorce battle. Court docs reveal Rachel Lindsay's income decrease. Rachel Lindsay and Brian Abasolo thought they found their forever person after meeting on season 13 of The Bachelorette. They married in an intimate ceremony in Cancun in 2019, 2 years after their televised engagement. Abasolo unexpectedly filed for divorce on January 1, 2024. He gave the previous day as the date of separation. The exes have been fighting it out in court ever since. They never had children, so the main issue seems to be money. Rachel Lindsay's ex petitioned the court for emergency spousal support. It was approved in the amount of $13,000 a month in July. She also has to pay $20,000 for his legal bills. Us Weekly obtained new court docs that reveal the two are still no closer to resolving their divorce than they were 9 months ago. In new court documents, Rachel Lindsay reduced her monthly income to $48,368, which is $1,000 less than the number she gave 2 months ago. That number was used in calculating her ex's spousal support. Brian Abasolo's legal team rejected the income adjustment. Brian does not have the funds to engage in relitigation of issues the court already ruled upon. His lawyers also disagreed with the judge's decision to end the spousal support in March 2026. Judge tells Brian Abasolo to get a job. According to the judge in the case, Brian Abasolo shouldn't expect his estranged wife to pay his way for long. This is a short-term marriage where support is going to be short in duration, the court document said. The judge advised the Rachel Lindsay's ex to get a job. Brian Abasolo claimed in previous court documents that moving his chiropractor practice from Florida to California so his estranged wife could pursue a career in entertainment severely affected his income. Both parties need to work to support themselves so that neither is permanently dependent on the spousal support order that's going to be issued in this case, the judge wrote in the ruling. The court documents also state marital standards of living change when people get divorced. Brian Abasolo and Rachel Lindsay's divorce battle doesn't seem close to being over anytime soon. Do you think his requests are ridiculous, or should she pay up? It sounds like you've crafted an intriguing update for your channel about the divorce between Rachel Lindsay and Brian Abasolo. For a 5,000-word story, you'll want to dive deeper into a few areas to extend the coverage and keep your audience engaged. Here are some ways to expand on the information you have. Background on the relationship. Detail how they met on The Bachelorette and the public's perception of their relationship during and after the show. Highlight key moments from their time on the show and their post-show life, including the wedding and their move to California. The divorce filing. Explore what led to the divorce and how it was received by Bachelor Nation fans. Include interviews, statements, or comments they've made publicly about their split, if available. Rachel Lindsay's career path. Analyze how Rachel Lindsay's career in media and entertainment took off after The Bachelorette and how it may have impacted their relationship. Discuss how she's become a significant voice in the media space, including her hosting roles and podcast. Brian Abasolo's side. Include details about Brian's chiropractic career and his claims about moving for her career. Consider talking about the challenges some former Bachelor contestants face in sustaining careers after the show. Financial disputes. Break down the financial aspects of the divorce more thoroughly, including the emergency spousal support ruling, legal fees, and Brian's request for more. Discuss the broader issue of spousal support and its impact in divorces like theirs. Legal drama. Expand on the legal battles and Brian's inability to afford relitigation. Provide insight into how these types of celebrity divorces usually play out and why they can become drawn out. Public reaction and media coverage. Talk about how the public and Bachelor Nation fans have reacted to the split and to Brian's requests for spousal support. Mention any media or social media coverage that has added to the drama or public perception. Expert opinions. Include perspectives from legal experts or financial advisors on divorce cases like this, especially regarding spousal support in short-term marriages. What's next for both? Speculate on the future for Rachel and Brian after the divorce. Will they stay in the public eye? What might happen in their respective careers? Polls or audience engagement. Engage your viewers by asking for their opinions on spousal support, the divorce, and who they think is in the right. Would you like help with any additional elements, like choosing keywords or video tags for this topic? It could help boost your video's reach on YouTube. Hey Bachelor Nation, welcome back to Bachelor Nation News. Today, we're diving into the latest dramatic twist in Rachel Lindsay and Brian Abasolo's ongoing divorce battle. Trust me, things just got even more intense. Court docs reveal Rachel Lindsay's income decrease. For those of you who need a little refresher, Rachel Lindsay and Brian Abasolo first met on season 13 of The Bachelorette. Their whirlwind romance seemed perfect, culminating in a stunning wedding in Cancun in 2019. Fast forward to January 2024, and Brian unexpectedly filed for divorce, citing the prior day as their official separation date. Since then, it's been an all-out legal battle, with the couple squabbling primarily over finances, as they don't have any children. Back in July, Brian was awarded emergency spousal support of $13,000 a month, and Rachel was also ordered to pay $20,000 towards his legal fees. In newly obtained court documents, Us Weekly reveals that Rachel Lindsay recently reported a decrease in her monthly income, now down to $48,368, which is $1,000 less than her reported earnings just 2 months ago. This updated figure was part of the calculation used to determine Brian's spousal support. However, Brian's legal team wasn't too pleased with this adjustment. They argued that they shouldn't have to relitigate issues already decided by the court, and they also took issue with the judge's ruling that spousal support would end in March 2026. Judge tells Brian Abasolo to get a job. But here's the kicker. The judge had some strong words for Brian Abasolo. According to the court, Brian shouldn't be relying on his estranged wife for financial support in the long run. The judge made it clear that this was a short-term marriage, and therefore, any spousal support would be short-term as well. The court documents suggest Brian Abasolo needs to start working to support himself, noting that both parties are responsible for their own livelihoods post-divorce. Brian has previously claimed that relocating his chiropractor practice from Florida to California to support Rachel's entertainment career significantly impacted his income. But the court's stance is pretty straightforward. Marital standards of living change after a divorce, and both parties need to adapt accordingly.